doubles boys and girls category in the elementary level. Let us welcome the players and officiating officials for the championship match for doubles in elementary boys and girls with a warm round of applause. Palakpak naman dyan! From elementary boys, table 4, match between Salawag Elementary School and San Nicolas Elementary School. Player from Salawag, Neil Butchoy Celeste and RJ Mendez with the coach, Mr. Ranil Celeste. Players from San Nicolas Elementary School, Mr. Albert Reyes and Mr. Zairain Joseph Casing with coach, Mr. Willie Ibanez. Umpires, Miss Diana Aloro from Salawag National High School and Mr. Glenn Vincent Rodil from New Era Senior High School. From elementary girls, table 2, match between Mater Christi Academy Incorporated and Paliparan 2 Elementary School. Players from Mater Christi Academy, Gabriel Perido and Crystal Ann Bakal with coach Miss Danila Lee Abuela. Players from Paliparan 2 Elementary School, Miss Erica Patubo and Miss Samantha Lagunilla with coach Mr. Eugene Laugo. Umpires, Mr. Mark Christian Cristal from Dasmariñas Integrated High School and Mr. John Michael Lucas from Edilberto S. Legazpi Integrated High School. Good luck, players. God bless the mga umpires. And again, a round of applause for our championship players.